When using special prices in sales orders, we've seen how they can be populated when assigned to a customer. However, there is a question of what happens when there are more than one sales price available. Business Central works on a best price principle, meaning that it will always choose the lowest available price, provided that the conditions are met. Looking at this sales order that we have, currently with a line for the item 19100S, for a quantity of 10, which has given us a promotional price of 100 as opposed to its standard 125. If we look at the fact box under the sales line details area, we can see that there are currently two sales prices available under the item subcategory. If we click into this number 2, it gives us a list of the existing sales prices that are valid for this customer. We can see that there are two currently available, one of them having been set on the customer specifically, and the other based on the customer price group retail, which the Canon Group appears to fall under. We can select from a list of available sales prices and update them as we see fit by clicking OK.